Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home. I have 3 children. I have a daughter who is 7 years old, a son who is 13, and an older daughter who is currently 15. And today I'm going to share with you some great ideas for Easter baskets. So I just want to start off by saying I really love putting together baskets and I shop a very long time for them. I try to find amazing sales, so there is going to be a lot of stuff in these baskets and I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope that it's helpful in helping you put together a special basket for a child in your life. So since there's so much, I'm just going to dive right in and get started and show you everything that is in the 3 Easter baskets that I put together this year. Okay, so first I'll start off with my daughter Madison's Basket, and here is just a good look at it. And basically I purchased some of these baskets from Michael's. Some of them are very old, but Michael still seems to have the same exact kind. And then this garland I actually purchased from the dollar store, and I just kind of spiraled it around the top and ran it along the rim, and I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so let's get right into this. I have these little tags that have their names, and we have a little num num. This one lights up, which is lots of fun. I also have this little Pick Me Pop surprise. This is something new. I've never seen these before, but it's one of those little like surprise balls, but in the form of a lollipop, so I thought that was really cute. She loves these LOL surprise charm little fizz like bath bombs. They're really cute. You throw them in the bathtub and they fizz away and there's a little prize inside. So those are super cute. She did have one of these in her stocking as well. And I think it's great to look at people's stocking stuffer ideas too, because that can give you some great ideas for baskets. I found this little guy, and you'll notice a lot of these items still have the price on. It's because I wanted to show you like the amazing deals that I found on some of these items. This is just a little Zum Zum and really cute. This was $1.99, a little Dumbo. It was normally $8, and I actually found this at Michael's craft store. We have this little bunny rabbit Pez dispenser that comes in this hard plastic egg, which is super cute. And then in this little tin egg, which I think I found this at Walmart, these are really adorable. Inside is a little bracelet. I purchased this on a Target clearance rack for only $3.48, and it just says girls can, with a little robot and just like a little charm bracelet, everyday girl, all these little sayings. Super cute. I just thought that was something fun to include. All of the kids seem to be really big into slime this year, so I purchased this Slime Time Mix It kit. I thought that would be really fun, even though these slime items are really a big mess sometimes. I'm hoping that this one won't be too bad. Of course, a chocolate bunny. I like the Hershey bunnies because they do not contain any traces of nuts or peanuts. If you have a child with a nut allergy, here are the ingredients and it's all safe. And then I found these really cute lip smackers, and it has like the Disney characters on it. We are big Disney fans in this house. If you're new to my channel, I do lots of Disney related videos as well. So of course there's going to be some Disney items in here. So one of these little mystery packs, which are always fun to open. Some orange Tic Tacs, she just really likes those. And of course there's going to be lots of candy in here. My children usually give up candy for Lent, so it's nice for them to get lots of it on Easter. This one's cute. It's just Starburst with the little bunny on top. Then we have one of the LOL pet balls, a little surprise ball. I thought this was really cute from the Target dollar spot. It's just a little sticky notepad with an ice cream cone and then a little ice cream cone pen to go along with it. And I picked this up at Michael's. It's just a little bunny rabbit ornament that you can paint. These are always fun to do on Easter morning. My daughter Madison loves makeup, so I found this little highlighter palette at Forever 21 near like the checkout area where they have all those little inexpensive items. And then a couple of these Kinder Joy little Easter eggs that it's like a chocolate, but then inside the chocolate is a hidden surprise. So all of these like little hidden surprise things are lots of fun. I think most small children do enjoy receiving these. I thought this was really cute. It's like a the Sour Bite Crawler minis, but it has like troll hair. It's like a little troll. So I thought that was a lot of fun to include and very colorful. Some more items that I found at Forever 21, these little Easter bunny ears for only $1, and they're really cute. They're like a pretty light blue color with the sequins, totally up her alley. She does love to wear these fun headbands. Another kind of craft item that I picked up at Michael's, and this is a canvas kit with, of course, my favorite Princess Belle, so she can paint this, and I'm sure it will be beautiful and nice to display in her bedroom. And my daughter has recently really been into the Pete the Cat books, and this is Pete the Cat Big Easter Adventure, and it also has an Easter poster in here and Easter cards. So really cute, really fun. Here's the poster in the center, and then here's a bunch of like little cards as well. So I just thought that was fun to include. Some adorable Easter bunny socks, and my older daughter has the same pair, so they could be matching, which will be lots of fun. And this was only $1.99 from Forever 21. It's a little pink choker necklace. I think it'll look really cute. She can maybe even wear it on Easter with her Easter dress. A couple of items from the Target dollar spot. This little grow figure, really, really cute. And then these little unicorn fingers, and you like kind of sling them. So I just thought that would be fun, sling them across the room. And you'll also see that I purchased these for my son so they can go ahead and sling things at each other. I'm sure that's exactly what they'll do. And then in this plastic egg, this was on the clearance rack for only $1.48, and I just think it's really, really cute. It has these sparkly stars, and it's like a rope necklace. A beautiful pearl necklace. My daughter really is into jewelry, and this is kind of Easter specific with the little Easter bunny on top, and it was only $1. Of course, we have our Peeps. That's kind of a staple in all Easter baskets, along with the chocolate bunny. Cute little pair of sunglasses. An adorable umbrella that I think looks really cute in her basket because it is all of these pastel color polka dots, and she does have like a lot of Disney princess umbrellas and things like that, but she's starting to feel like she's too grown up for it and she's more hesitant to use them. So I thought a basic umbrella with a cute print would be fun for her this year. Some of these Scentos markers. I know the kids love these scented gel pens, so they're fun to have. I have another one of those mystery packs, and this is the Hatchimals, a sticky emoji face, and then another cute headband that I purchased at Target, and it just has like this little bow, and it's iridescent and sparkly, and it was only $1.48. And finally, this is actually something that she needs, and I would have had to purchase for her soon anyway, which is a new dance bag. She goes to dance school. She takes 3 classes a week, and her other bag is pretty beat up and old. It was actually a hand-me-down from my older daughter, so she really needed a better bag. This one is super cute because on the inside, there's a separate bag where you can keep your shoes. Right now, her shoes and her water bottle and her clothing are all together. So now we can keep the shoes more sanitary in a separate area. And this was only $7.48 on the clearance section in Target. Okay, so that is all of Madison stuff. Okay, so now we will go on to my son's basket, and I will just show you what that looks like. And again, he has the little tag right on front here. I did the same thing with the garland, and I just put a big green bow on his. So let's get inside and I'll show you what he got. So my son is a huge fan of the YouTube channel Demolition Ranch, and they do sell some merchandise, and he really wanted this baseball cap, so I purchased that from them. And then I also purchased him their t-shirt, which he really wanted, and it just says Demolition Ranch on it, and then there is this graphic on the back. He really wanted it for a long time, and 2 items that he absolutely needed, which is another thing that I should stress. Some of the items are things that I basically need to buy for my kids anyway, so why not incorporate it in the basket if you have something like that. Last year I included like flip-flops and bathing suits, and I will leave a link to my Easter baskets from last year above as well if you want more ideas, because I think there's some really fun ideas in there too. Of course, the Bean Boozled is always fun to include in an Easter basket. I pretty much do that every year, I think. Another Hershey Rabbit. Again, another nut allergy. Both of my children, Patrick and Madison, have peanut tree nut allergies, so I do like the Hershey Bunny. He really likes Rice Krispie treats, and here's just a fun Easter themed Rice Krispie treat. A bag of jelly beans by Jelly Belly. Of course, again, the Peeps that everybody needs to have on Easter morning. And my kids really enjoyed this game on a recent trip that we took to the Pocono Mountains. So I just thought Bananagrams would be fun for him to have, and I'm sure they can all play this together. I just think it's really cute. I love how it comes in this little banana pouch, and this is the Wild Tiles one, which is a little bit easier because it has like, I think, one tile that you can use kind of as like a wild card. So when he plays with my younger daughter, it'll just make it a little bit easier for her. The amazing hover ball. This is a little soccer ball, and you kind of just can kick it around the house, and I'll show you a picture of the back so you can kind of see what it does. It's just a fun kind of novelty item, and I do have a couple of these types of items in his basket. More candy. He really likes Warhead, so this is a variety pack of all different Warhead items. This t-shirt is so funny. It's a bunny rabbit dabbing. I just think it's hysterical. I picked this up at Target. It was $8.99, but I think I did get it on sale. I think they were having a sale on children's clothing, but how funny is that? It's just perfect. I had to get it for him. He kind of needs lots of t-shirts for the summer anyway, so I just thought that was a fun one to have. And another little like novelty item. This is an electronic baseball game. So it's like this little ball, and I guess you kind of have to try to get the ball into the hoop. I just thought it was fun. It's a digital game. I picked this up at Marshall's, and I just thought it was fun. And then, like I told you guys before, he also has the little finger flinger things. This is an alligator, and I picked this up. It's thumb chucks. You put these little balls on your thumb, and you kind of flick it around. I'll show you the instructions on the back so you can kind of see what it does. I just thought it was a fun little thing to include in the basket as well. And he does like Slim Jims, so I picked up some Slim Jims, as well as some teriyaki beef jerky. And I thought this was cute. It's the Big League Chew bubblegum balls, but it comes like in this little baseball. Baseball season will be starting soon, so I just thought that was fun to include. Some orange Tic Tacs. And he likes these little like party snap things. They drive me crazy. He does horrible things with them. He'll like put them on the toilet seat, so when somebody sits down, they spark, and it's bad. But he does really get a kick out of playing around with these. So I picked up a little pack of those, and I know what I'm in for. And that is everything that is in his basket. And let me just show you the grass that I have inside. It's like this iridescent grass. I think I picked it up at Walmart or Target last year, and I'm just reusing it until it gets like gross. So it's holding up pretty good, and I just keep that in their baskets. They all just have a different color on the inside. So that's everything that is in Patrick's basket. Now the grand finale, let's move on to my oldest daughter, Emily. Her basket is pretty in pink this year. I just think it came out so beautiful, and I am really excited to show it to you. If you have a preteen or teenager, I think this basket came out perfect this year. Okay, so here is my oldest daughter, Emily's basket. It's really super cute. I love how it's so pink, and this big hot pink Peep bunny just makes the basket. It's so soft and beautiful. We'll start with that. Look at how cute this is. This was from Target, and I believe it was $12. Yes, it was. Really, really cute and cuddly. I just absolutely love it. Then, like I said, she has the matching bunny socks that I got from the Target dollar spot to match my youngest daughter, Madison. Really cute. She loves fun socks. I think most teenagers do. Some Reese's peanut butter cups with this little chickie on top. This was really a great find. This was like an after Valentine's Day sale, and I think it looks very appropriate for an Easter basket. It was 90% off. I do not remember what the price was, but it was probably, I don't even know, probably less than $2. Really, really cute, nicely done. These are the limited edition strawberries and cream white chocolate truffles. And I think they're going to be delicious, and they fit perfectly into a basket. I love the shape of this. This was an after Christmas clearance. If you take a look at my, I believe it was after Christmas Target haul, I got these at possibly 90% off, and it's the Soap and Glory. So it's a variety of 3 different body butters, very inexpensive and very pretty. More of my pink items here. This is Pink Twice, and this is the Soap and Glory Body Scrub and the Righteous Butter again. And again, I purchased this at 90% off, I believe, at Target's after Christmas sale. Really nice smelling candle from Target. This is the Sugar King Guava, and it smells amazing. And Dove Chocolate Bunny, little Easter bunny. And then Peeps as well, but these Peeps come with these little Peep socks. Really, really cute little gift packet here. I just thought it was adorable, and like I said, she loves funky socks, so I think that she will really appreciate those. We recently went to see Hamilton in New York City. I'll link that vlog above if you guys want to check it out, but my daughter is obsessed with Hamilton, and I found this at Michael's craft store, believe it or not, and it's just a very simple book about who Alexander Hamilton is, a little bit about his history, and it's a very quick and easy read, and I just thought it would be something fun to include in her Easter basket this year. Little bath bomb, also by the Soap and Glory brand from Target. So from Lush, let me just open this up for you guys. This is really, really cute. It's like a fidget spinner, and it smells amazing. It actually has like a little wooden fidget on there, like a little wooden thing to make it look like a actual fidget spinner, and it works, and it's super cute. So I think she'll really like that, and it smells really, really nice. I have this gold brush from Forever 21. It's just one of those brushes that you can put in your purse with the mirror, and the brush pops out. So I thought that was really neat and nice to have. My daughter has really been wanting one of these diffusers, so I got her a mini one for her bedroom, and then to go along with it, I picked her up a peppermint, and then this energy essential oil as well. New razor, just something that everybody could use. Use lip balms. I thought this was a really pretty gift package of them. There's 2 in there. And I always save these little jewelry pouches when I get them from a jewelry store. So this is a pouch that I saved, and then I love how it zippers inside too. And inside of that is a ring that she really wanted from Target, so I snuck back there and picked it up for her. Just a very simple, pretty ring. I found this there too. It's Bright Thoughts, a poster book, and they're just really pretty inspirational quotes. I think any of these would look beautiful framed. You could actually make a collage of them in your bedroom and frame them and hang them up, or maybe switch it off once in a while. Just have like one frame and switch off the quote. I might actually borrow a couple of these that maybe she's not interested in, because I think it's really, really a sweet and cute like gift item. This was something else that I got a long time ago on like major clearance. It was only $1.06, and it's just a little mirror that you can hang in your locker. And finally, I have in here a beach blanket for the summer. Like I said, another great idea is a bathing suit or flip-flops. That is some of the stuff that I included in my basket last year, and my kids really enjoyed it. So that is everything that is in Emily's Pretty in Pink basket this year. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some great ideas for putting together some Easter baskets of your own this year. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below, and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. I hope that you guys all have a great Easter. Take care. Bye.